I am making cake mix cookies. Got my pink cake mix, and then my oil, egg, and my second egg. Just going to get this mixed around. I'm going to be adding chocolate chips. Now I'm using the dark chocolate chips, like a dark chocolate covered strawberry. More variations, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 275 and 278 and 279. I don't know, there's 25 different variations on here. All right, I've got my new baking sheet I'm testing out, hopefully not warp. My old one's warped and I hated it. Okay, so, and then just to make them a little bit more decorative, I'm going to push them down a little bit and oh my, oh dear, chocolate chips all over the place. Holy moly. Okay, so I'm going to just come in, pick up my mess first. Now we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it. All right, I have my cookie here. Oh, that looks like just luscious. Let's take a bite. Mmm, that tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry. That is darn too good. Oh, yum.